All right, quadrantals. So there you go, Kumar. Quadrantals. Those are the special ones. Now we talked last week that this would be considered 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, and 360 becomes repetitive. Every ordered pair is x, y. We take it as a circular function, so the radius is 1. Now you just plug it in. So the sine of, if we focus on 270, the sine of 270 would be y over r. So it would be negative 1 over 1, which is? 1. Or today, negative 1. Good, good, good. And then cosine, 0. X over r, which would be 0 over 1. What's 0 over 1? 0. Tangent would be y over x. What's negative 1 over 0? This is no solution. You cannot have 0 but. It's not coming out very smooth. I'll try again. It's disgusting. How do you flip undefined? What does it become? Stanley, what's it become? 0. How do you flip 0? Undefined. Remember, these are brother-sisters. These are brother-sister or reciprocals. How do you flip negative 1? Negative 1. So, that's plugging it in. Really, like I told you, you only have to memorize that sine is y over r and tangent is y over x. That's it. Because cosine is going to be the other, and then the rest are flippers. I'm going to show you another method. And this is one that I will always use because like I've told you before, I'm very visual. What do we say that the sine of 0 is? Sine of 0 would be y over r, which is? Y over r, which is?
0 over 1.
0. So the sine of 0 degrees is what value? 0. I'm going to plot a picture of it. 0. Let's go to 90. Go up to 90. Y over r. What's the sign? 1. Let's go to 180. Y over r. 0. Go to 270. Negative 1 over 1, which is? And then 360 would be the same as 0. Here's a picture of a sine curve from 0 to 360. So, if I look at you, Crawford, and I say, hey, what's the sine of 270? Go to your picture, go to 270, what's the value? Negative 1, done. This is a sine curve. And the reason I can recognize it as a sine curve is that like an S, it kind of does a little wave. So this is sine. Cosine. Let's do cosine. What's the cosine of 0? Cosine of 0 is x over r. What's cosine? 0. 1. What's cosine of 90?
0.
0. What's cosine of 180?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. What's cosine of 270?
0.
And this kind of looks like a C if you tilt your head like a confused puppy. Good luck. Turn hard, turn left. Visual. I don't care.
It doesn't go into effect till tomorrow.
Oh, they were stopping people.
Just practice. That's just practice runs.
We have to practice using clips.
Tangent is equal to sine over cosine. I'm telling you, it is. So if I say, hey, what is the tangent of 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, 360? Well, 0 over 1 is what? 0. So the tangent of 0 degrees is 0. 1 over 0 is? 1 over 0 is undefined, no solution. 0 over negative 1. Negative 1 over 0.
Undefined.
0 over 1. There's your tangent. Can you flip all the rest? Flip sine. Flip sine. So this would be what if it was cosecant? Undefined. This would be just still be 1 because it's 1 over 1. Undefined?
0. No.
Negative 1. Undefined. Now, those of you, I like this because it's quick and easy. Other people like this, you need to know both in the future. This won't be for a long time. Then it goes